Hey guys, PMHK here, obviously. Now, with iOS 14 came widgets, and with that came home screen customization, which is actually something that's becoming really popular. As I mentioned in my previous video, Android users had or have been doing that for quite a while now. Only now that Apple allowed us to put widgets on our home screen, we can actually do a little bit of customization, which people are actually taking to the next level to actually change icons, which I'm going to actually show you guys on this video how they're doing that. Now, to start, I'm going to show you guys a basic customization that you guys can do on your phones right now. So with iOS 14, as I showed you guys on the previous video, you can actually add widget. As you guys can see, I already have a widget added right on top. This is the Google widget, which to add is actually really quite simple. You just click somewhere on the screen or hold somewhere on the screen, then you press the plus button on the top left hand corner, and then you click the specific widget that you want to add. In this case, let's try and add a weather widget, and then you just press add widget and the widget jumps into your home screen. And that's actually the basic adding widgets to your home screen. Now you can do that and add it to any of the screens you want. I can even come and also add one in this screen over here just by pressing the plus button there on the top left hand corner, and I can add maybe a battery. Now let's add a clock right there, and then it's going to actually add it right on top, which I can actually move to the bottom. It's going to move to the bottom with the rest of the app, but again, we're gonna delete it so it doesn't look messed up, because I actually made this arrangement just for this video. Now, the second one that you can do is download specific widgets editor from the App Store. I'm using widgetsmith to create this calendar widget here in the corner. Now, if I just have to go and show you guys the widgetsmith app, which is this one, this is how it shows. You can actually create your own widgets from here and then add to your home screen. It's actually really simple. For example, let's add a small widget. So you can do is add the plus there and then click on the widget that you've just added, and you can actually select which one you want. Now in this screen here, you can select widget that has to do with time, date. You can also put a custom widget, which you can include photos of the day. You can include custom text. What I've actually done is I included the date, which is the month there. Now, just to show you guys how to add, let's say you've already edited, you change the font, the theme color, the background, and the borders. What you do then is just select what you've added. You go back, as you guys can see, it's right there. You save, and it's going to go on the small widget number 3. Now, what you need to do is go back to your home screen. You press to add a new widget, you go plus, and then you click on your widgetsmith right there, and you select which one you've created. So we've created a small one, so you just select the small one, you add it to your screen, and then you go to your settings. Actually, cancel that. You hold your widget, go to edit widget, and then you add whichever number you've created, which was number 3, and it also appears right there, Saturday. Pretty simple. This application also actually has some features that are locked that you have to pay to unlock, which it's the weather ones that you can see here. Requires premium subscription. So if I click there, it shows you that you need to pay 34 rands or 350 per year for you to be able to create weather related widgets. Now, if you want to take this up a notch a little bit, what you can do is create custom icon. Now, the way this is being done is by using the Shortcuts app. What you're going to need to do is have custom icon pack images, which I actually create some of these. If you can actually see on my Photos app, you can see that all these are actually pictures that I've set as icon cover. So what you do is, after you've downloaded your icons that you want to use as your icon for the new layout that you're trying to build, is you go to your Shortcuts app, and you create basically create a shortcut that's going to open an app. So to do that, you press your plus button up there, you press add new, then you add a scripting shortcut, you add open app. So this shortcut, what it does, it open apps basically. So you choose there, and then you choose the application that you want this shortcut to open. In this case, let's just choose Instagram, which I have already done actually. And then you press those three buttons there just to customize it further. You can actually name it as well, and I'm gonna name it Gram, and press done on that. Then I'm gonna press add to home screen, and then I go where it says new shortcut. Let's actually save that first, cancel, done, so we can save the name. Okay, now let's go back, add to home screen, and then if I press there, I can actually choose the photo that I want to be there. So I'm going to choose this, let's choose this Instagram photo here, choose, and then if I press add, done, and done, it's going to go to my home screen, as you guys can see there, that I just created, which says Gram. Now the only downside to this is that before it actually opens the actual app that you want, it bypasses the shortcuts app. If you guys can see now, if I click the Gram there, it goes to your shortcut, and then it opens the actual Instagram or the actual application that you wanted to open, or that you've created the custom icons for. Now, just as an added bonus, what I've added here on my customized home screen is this application here, which is a motivation app, which actually gives me different motivation, I think every 10 minutes. So when I actually open my phone, I can just read something motivating there. And also you can see another widgetsmith customized widget that I've added there on top. And another added bonus is a little game that you can add it to your widgets page, which is this little game here that you can play whenever you might be actually bored. Okay, let's try that again. All right, so I actually saw this in a YouTube video, which I actually don't remember whose video it was, to give the proper credits. But yeah, this is actually a cool game. This is actually what you see on a computer when your computer is disconnected from the internet. You can actually play this on your Chrome browser. So yeah, this is gonna be it for this video. Hopefully with this basic knowledge that I shared with you guys, you're gonna be able to go and customize your own home screen on your iPhone running iOS 14. So if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like this video, and as well as click the notification bells button so you can get notified whenever I upload a video. And I'm going to catch you guys on my next one. Peace.